Welcome to how to upload all photos to Google Drive. So in this video we are going to show you how to upload all photos in Google Drive. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So this tutorial is both for Android and iOS. So first of all, you need to open up your Google Drive app, and then you will open up that specific folder in which you want to upload your all photos. So in my case, I will basically upload in this. Okay, so I will just, so now after you open up that specific folder, what you're gonna have to do, you will just simply tap on this plus icon here and then tap on upload file, and this will open up, and then tap on photos and videos, and this will open up your phone's gallery, and then you will tap on basically recent, and then from here you can select multiple photos at one time like this one. And after selecting photos, you can just simply tap on upload, and photos will be uploaded in that drive folder. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.